the main and important feature of MS Word. In the last class, I have explained you about mail merge. What is mail merge? It is used to combine data source which contains the address of all the recipient and with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters to multiple addresses. Okay, we can make many letters with same content with multiple addresses. Okay, I will also explain you about what is data source, main document, and the three basic steps for mail merge. First, creating a main document. Next, specifying a data source, and third is merging the data source with the main document. So, first we are creating a mail merge document. How can we create a mail merge document? That I have explained you in the last class, and we have already done creating recipient list also. In today, I am going to start new topic. It is inserting merge fields. Okay, whatever data source we have prepared, now we should merge that fields with our main document or our letter. So follow the steps for that. Open page number 31. First, place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the records. Okay, this is your letter. You have to type this letter. This is your main document. Then we should keep that cursor on that place where we want to insert the fields. Next, click on the mailing tab. Then click on insert merge field button in the right and insert field group. Then the insert merge field dialog box will appear like this with the different fields that you have prepared. Click on field name that you intend to add, then click on the insert button. Then similarly other fields into the documents. These are all the fields that you have entered the data in the data source table. So whatever field and whatever content you want that in the starting point of your letter, that field you can insert from here. Like first name of your friend and last name of your friend, and your friend address, city, state, pin code. Okay, whatever you want to insert in the top of the letter, you can insert from this dialog box. Next, click on close button. After inserting these fields, you can see these fields are inserted. Then you will notice that the selected field names appears in your document one after another horizontally. Then separate the field name by pressing the enter key. Now there is one node effect for you. You can select use an existing list option and select recipient when the list of recipient already exists. If we have already prepared the data source, okay, and different addresses and pin codes and phone numbers of our friends, that we can also insert in our letter. Now after inserting the merge field, then how can we view our merged data? For that, you can check whether Microsoft has picked up the data source according to the merge fields or not by viewing it on the screen. So how can we view? Then click on preview result button, the preview list group on the mailing tab, or select the next preview your letters under 4 to 6 section. Then first record will be displayed like this. Then the next record button in the preview result group to view the next record of the data source. Now there is another node effect. Select from Outlook contact. Choose this option under select recipient if you want to use the email address book in Microsoft Outlook. You can insert your friend email address also with the letter. Now next topic is how can we print the letters. Okay, after preparing those letters, after merging all the data source with our main document, after that if you want to print that letter, how can we print? You can take the printouts of your letters with the merge of your data source. In order to print the letters, follow the given steps. Then click on Finish and Merge button. In the Finish group on the mailing tab, you can see this is the Finish and Merge button. Then select the Print Documents option from the drop down menu. And click on Next, complete the merge under 5 to 6 step. Okay, in the task pane, and then click on the Print option under the Merge section. You can see this is the Print option. After that, Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print setting and then click OK. If you want to print all the documents, that you can select the all. Then if you want to select only current record, okay, which that letter is coming on the screen, if you want to print only that you can select it. And from to in this box you can give the page number, okay, from if you want to print the letters or pages or document from 2 to 5, so you can give the numbers on that boxes and then click on OK. The print dialog box will appear. Refine the print settings and then click OK. Okay, whatever the printer you have installed, you have to select that, and how many pages, how many copies of the letter you want to print, that you have to select from this dialog box. After giving all the and after doing all the settings in this dialog box, after that click on OK. The selected records will be printed separately along with the letter. Okay, so now we have completed this chapter. You have to do practical practice at your home, this mail merge. This is very interesting and very useful feature of MS Word. Okay, all the 3 steps you have to apply, and please watch this video again and again. All the steps you have to do practical, okay, and all the 3 steps, like first you have to type the letter that you want to give or send to your friends. After that you have to prepare data source, okay, address table you have to prepare of your friends. After that, third step is you have to merge those documents with your data source. Then we will have with letters, okay, how many letters, if you have given in the data source 10 friends addresses, or so you have you can prepare 10 letters for your friend to sending them with the same content. Now I will revise some recap points for you for revision. The mail merge feature is used to send the same letters to a number of people at different addresses. Mail merge feature combines 2 documents. One is main document and the other is data source. Main document contains the text you wish to send to the recipients, and the data source contains addresses of the recipient. And merge field is a data item which instructs Microsoft Word about where to insert the data source information in the main document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, and merging the data source with the main document. Okay, so now we have completed this chapter. Please practice at your home and read the lesson again and again, and I will give you homework, question answers of the chapter. Do that work in your copy, and please be regular in your studies and send it to me for checking. Okay, that's all for today's class. Till then, goodbye and take care.